Hi everyone, this is Bobby, your digital assistant from DigiBlossom. Whether you want to attract more customers to visit your store, promote your brand, or drive more online sales, you've come to the right place. To implement a successful digital marketing plan for your business, picking a suitable tool is important. Today, we will introduce one of the most useful Facebook marketing tools, metabusinesssuite, formerly Facebook Business Manager. We will take a look at who this business manager is and if you need one for your business. As many of you may aware that Facebook has changed the name to Meta. For sure that many people still call it as Facebook. Meta is owning two biggest social media platforms in the world, which are Facebook and Instagram. Currently, Facebook is reaching around 3 billion people around the world, while Instagram is reaching 1.5 billion people per month. There is a huge potential for your business to reach the right audience in these social media channels. So, if you are considering to promote your business through Facebook and Instagram, one of the useful tools is Meta Business Suite, that is the Facebook Business Manager. We'll just call it Business Manager in this video. What is Business Manager? Business Manager is the hub of all Facebook management. It is a free platform that we use to manage multiple assets in one place, such as your Facebook page, your Instagram account, audience list, as well as product catalog, which is your Facebook or Instagram shop. With this account, you are able to set and share different assets with your team members or new marketing professionals to take care of your social media platforms and advertising campaigns.